What are you doing? Okay, let's do a video. Here, you're in the video. Ready? Introduce. Hey, today we are at MCLEAN Creek with family and friends. And we're just gonna have a good time, and we're gonna check this place out and just kind of see what it's about and see if we maybe get dirty in the Jeep. So yeah, should be a lot of fun. Hey guys.
Party Jeep right here, Party Jeep!
There's a Party Jeep.
Party Jeep!
Party Jeep. There you go, there you go. What's up?
Hello.
Are you ready to go Jeeping today?
Yes.
You ready to go Jeeping today?
I don't like sitting in the back seat, but...
You gonna get muddy? You gonna get dirty? Yeah, all right, sounds good. Okay, so yeah, we'll just, I don't really know where to go from here, so we'll just kind of figure it out. Watch out, Augie, there's vehicles. Okay, get in the Jeep.
No, stay out here.
Get in the Jeep. Huh? Yeah, just go straight back. You're in 4x4, right? Try and go straight. Huh? I'm thinking you'd probably just go straight back.
Try getting 4 low, but I'm stuck in neutral. Come on.
Oh. You'd probably be still good in 4 high.
Where am I sliding?
The back. Yeah, and then just
oh, I see, there's a berm right there. I just gotta get over this little lip.
Yeah, so just go straight back from there, you're fine. Yeah, just
That's right, go a little quicker.
yeah. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Oh, did you stall again?
Yeah. It's not even just the mud, eh? It's just sliding down here too. Well, I'm gonna have to try and stay. I don't know what to do here.
Okay. Trying to think.
Let's take a I just keep sliding down there.
Just because your tires have mud on them.
Yeah. Is there a trail up here that we could meet up with? If
you plowed through?
Yeah, but then I'll just slide around in there too, right? Yeah, there's nothing bigger than through in here. I'm gonna try and drop into this berm.
Yeah, here, let's see. I mean,
That's
this would be not good.
Like I'd have to just crawl it.
See, the issue is once you get here, and if you get in the same kind of pickle,
Yeah.
then and then as far as here, if we get to that side, seems okay.
Those are horrible. I mean, I could try and turn around. Yeah, I'll try and pull up.
What are you gonna try?
I'm gonna try and pull up.
Beside me?
Oh man, these wheels are crazy.
First trip in, 5 minutes in, muddy mess. I think we may have picked the wrong trail, at least for the today. Probably be better later on.
What are you guys doing?
Well, basically going forward, it's a lot of this. So we're not thinking this particular path is the best. I need to do a couple times. Do it again. Go, go, go. Come on. Yeah. Go, go. You're getting more every time.
My brake keeps locking up.
Your brake?
Just like you know when you can't push it in?
Yeah. Hat? Like you're getting like yeah, how far your straps go? Okay, I'll try and go back. No mosquitoes. Gonna get in the Jeep. Okay, here we go.
Doing dance as far as camera. Lily, quiet.
All right, hold the camera. All right, so I'm gonna try and back up and get out of this mess.
Dad,
Yeah.
we do not
Was
believe
Jordan?
how many mosquitoes
Does he?
we saw.
Can he get out?
We saw,
Not very well.
we found
No.
like 10. If you were staying out there,
Like, can I go down into this right here?
Dad,
I don't know how deep it is. I mean, it's a little bit of a drop off.
Yep.
Son of a.
What do you think, kids?
Yay! I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen, okay?
Okay.
Stop!
I'll get out and take a look.
I'm prepared for this.
Oh man. So I am in a grade A pickle right now. All my tires are in separate ruts and they're just spinning. And it's pure mud. What was I thinking? And everyone's yelling at me for a solution. So I'm gonna try and air out some of the, take out some of the air from the tire. Oh, they got out. They got out. I surveyed going forward and it looks really bad. So I don't see any way of getting down and around. the only way is to go back, and classic Mark, I decided to try and send it instead of looking ahead at what was to come. So if we can maybe get it winched so that I can get it up, if I can get it up on this grassy area, I can maybe walk that over and get back over the hump there. Or again, if someone can winch us out, then we can try and do that. Hey, my buddy Jordan's gonna come with a come along, and we're gonna try and do it that way. There's no, we couldn't find any vehicles that had a winch, so I think I need to get a winch. But yeah, okay, well, we'll give this a shot and we'll see how that goes. Keep you posted.
Water bottle out in the open.
So bad.
And then you just kept going and just digging yourself in deeper.
Oh, so bad.
You can tell where you start just sliding. Yeah. Yeah, watching you come up here, you were driving, then you went one way, and then you full on turned the other way.
No, she's not happy, is she?
She's not moving, she's just sitting there.
Hi, Alma. Love you, baby.
And an arborvitae tree.
Hey kids, how you doing out here?
Good. It's been a 3-hour-long wait. Half of that in the car. Yeah, half of that in the car, and well, we found what are these called again? Like shooting markers?
Clay discs?
Clay discs, right?
Yeah.
I got a souvenir at least. Stop interrupting. Look what I found.
Oh, cool.
You interrupt so much, Augie.
Cool.
Why is that your purpose in life, to interrupt people?
Here they come, Lily. We'll see how this goes.
It seems that.
Alma! Look at all those high chews you're eating. She's actually giving them all back.
You're like, you take this one and you take this one. I'm a businesswoman, so take my money.
Wait, question. Almost fell down the hill. You take this one. You can have this one too.
Take 2. I mean 3.
Hopefully getting out of the mud. There's no slack on it yet. Is there a zoom in button on here?
There isn't an option. But my dad can already zoom in.
Okay.
No good.
Well, the end result of this is we cannot get it out, and we have to abandon the Jeep here and get it towed out. That tow is going to cost between $1,000 and $2,000, and it's a pretty crummy day, but that's also what Jeeping is. Sometimes this happens, and now we learn, and now we don't go and do anything like this without all the proper gear and
All we needed is
a winch, especially.
All we needed was a shovel and a winch.
Yeah. All right, let's get walking, guys.
Okay.
Goodbye, Ruby.
Bye, Ruby.
What is your name, sir?
Tim.
Tim. Tim, you are seriously, man, a lifesaver. Tim got me out. Use the cable here. Taught me a lot today. I need 37s. I need toe straps. I need a winch. I need a different bumper. Other than that, man, like, seriously, dude, thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
Thank you, Tim. Don't worry, I tested for COVID the other day, negative.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing to worry about. Are you on any of the groups, the Calgary 4x4s, any of that?
Yeah, I'm on most of those.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alma, are you stuck? He's stuck in the mud. We can pull you out. Tim knows what he's doing. Oh man, thanks again, Tim. Like, amazing. So good. And then you, yeah, best way is just out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, not down there.
Nope.
Up there.
One good hole down here.
Yeah.
If you can stay out of it, I just got grabbed into the ruts and I couldn't.
Oh, okay.
But I can wait around if you're
Okay.
out that way.
Yeah, I just need to put the seat in and get my kids sorted. Thank you so much. Alma. You're stuck in the mud too, girl. You're stuck in the mud too. That's out pretty easy.
This person came and helped us tow Ruby out of the mud, and we were very, very happy that we did not have to pay $2,000. And shout out to him, and he knows who he is. So thank you so much, and we're so happy.
Because we're
So
not allowed
happy.
to take clays from there. Did you talk to Emily?
Yeah. As we were heading out.
She's like, where you guys at? And you're like, oh,
She says, why is it that I can always get a hold of you, but I can never get a hold of Mark? I said, well, we're not quite together.
she's
What?
like,
Oh,
What are you
say bye.
And then she goes, why did he do that? I told him he can't go on the mud without a winch.
Wow.